Good morning. I am Dr. Obneke Henry Ono. I want to talk about the revision exercise on Math 124. We will be looking at straight line problems, Cartesian and polar coordinates, the midpoint of a line, division of a line, parabola in this first video. In the second video, we'll talk about other ones. First of all, we'll have an example. Find a midpoint of point A 4 and 6 and point B 2 and 4. Solution. In this kind of problem, you have x1 equals 4, x2 equals 2, y1 equals 6, and y2 equals 4. Now the midpoint x and y will be equal to x1 plus x2 all over 2 and y1 plus y2 all over 2. And that will be what? x1, that is 4, plus x2 is 2 all over 2, and y1, which is 6, plus y2 is what? 4 all over 2. And this will be x and y. 4 plus 2 is 6 over 2, and 10 over 2, and that will give us what? 3 and 5. In the second example, we have find the Cartesian coordinates of 4 and pi over 3. Solution. Here we have r equal to 4 and theta equal to pi over 3. We have x will be equal to r cos theta, and that will be equal to what? 4 cos pi over 3. X now will be equal to 4 cos pi is 180 all over 3, and x will be equal to 4 cos 60. 180 divided by 3 is 60. X now will be equal to 4 times cos 60 is 1 over 2. Now x now will be equal to 2. Now y will be equal to r sine pi over r sine theta, which will be equal to r sine 4 sine 180 all over 3. This will be equal to 4 sine 60, and that will be 4 times root 3 over 2. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2, and that will be equal to 2 root 3. So the Cartesian coordinate of this polar coordinate is given as what? 2 and 2 root 3. Now, for this problem, if A of 8 and 7 and B of 8 and 4 is divided in the ratio 2:1, find the coordinates. Now, x1 is equal to 8, x2 is equal to 8, y1 is equal to 7, and y2 is equal to 4. Now, r1 is 2, and r2 is -1. Now, the formula for the coordinate of the division x and y is x2 x1 minus x1 x2 all over r2 minus r1, and r2 y1 minus r1 y2 all over x2 minus r1. We now substitute. Have x and y will be equal to what? r2 is what is given as -1 times x1 is what? x1 is 8 minus r1 is 2 times x2 is 8 as well, all over r2 minus r1, comma, go to the other side. r2 is -1 times y1 is 7 minus r1 is 2 times y2 is 4 all over r2 minus r1. So from here we have minus 1 times 8 is equal to minus 8. Minus 2 times 8 is minus 16 all over minus 3. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 3, comma. Minus 1 times 7 is minus 7. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8 all over minus 1 minus 1 is minus 3. So we are going to have minus 8 minus 16 give us minus 24 over 3 or minus 3, and here is minus 15 over minus 3, and that will give us here 8 and what? 5. Now expect the second video that will expose some other problems on this Maths 1 to 4. Thank you and God bless you. I remain my humble self, Dr. Obineke Henry Ono. Subscribe to this video so that you get the other video that will be loading very soon. Thank you.